Nike GT Cut 3 Turbo Celtics, once exclusive to the 2025 NBA playoffs, is set to launch for the public on August 28, 2025, via Nike.com and select retailers. Originally teased during the SNKRS Showcase, this player-exclusive sneaker is now available beyond the hardwood. The upper mixes sage green and cream hues on a lightweight mesh base, supported by a ZoomX midsole for explosive responsiveness. A green suede swoosh, tonal outsole, and Holiday's number 4 badge on the heel emphasizes Boston ties. Performance details like extended sidewall support and full-length traction make the Turbo Edition a court-ready option for quick guards. Designed with both precision and aesthetics in mind, this release fuses speed and Celtics pride. With postseason polish and Holiday's signature touch, it's a compelling addition to Nike Basketball's elite lineup.